What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shawnee, man, and I'm back at y'all with another video. So today, right, you see we got another TLC reaction video today, you feel me? Today we're reacting to Waterfalls. Hey man, I seen some of y'all request this, so what y'all think I'ma do? I'ma react to it for y'all, you feel me? No cap. Hey man, big shout out to all of my supporters, man. I love and appreciate each and every one of y'all. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell because there's more bangers to come. Hey man, I know I love me some TLC, man. They my favorite girl group of all time, man. They my favorite, I'm not gonna lie. But hey man, for those of y'all who do not know, I have a playlist of all of the old school reactions I've done so far, man. So make sure y'all go check it out for your boy, man. No cap. Anyways, man, I ain't gonna do too much talking, man. Let's see what my girl's talking about on here. That's why I love TLC, man, because all of their songs have a message behind it, man. You know what I'm saying? It's not too many people out here that their music got like a meaning to it. Like, they have a lot of songs that got a meaning to it, bro. That's why I rock with them so much, man. Man, this song, man. Rest in peace, my girl left out. That's why you always gotta take care of yourself. Be protected. Like they used to always talk about how you need to protect yourself, man. Always be safe. You know what I'm saying? Protected sex, all that stuff, man. You gotta be protected, man. She straight took the condom out my man's hands, bro. You know what I'm saying? You let her control you like that? Nah, bro. I don't care what no female say to me. I don't care how cute you are. I don't care. Huh. Gotta grab the rubber, man. Gotta be careful out here, man. Oh, that's fire. I love this video. We really going to lock into what Left Eye is saying. I want to hear exactly what she's saying in this rap.
Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the 7 days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only leading hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for tooting gain into your own vein? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and aim to stay in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you. Go chase it.
That rap, she said, I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone. Like, she wasn't no ordinary rapper, yo. It was like more like poetry too. Like, that's why I rock with her so much, because it wasn't like ordinary rap, but it was like kind of like a poetry type feel to it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's why I rock with Left Eye, man, because she was different, man. She was real creative, you feel me? Like, that, like, am I the only one who started to get chills when she started rapping that, man? Like, man.
True, believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you. Go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your
Can't even hug your mama no more. Man, this song right here is a masterpiece, man. I love this song. Let me like this video. Hey, man, that was my reaction to TLC Waterfalls, man. Like, I really love this song, man. I love them in general, you feel me? Like I said, they always have a meaning behind all their songs, you know what I'm saying? Like the meaning of this song, man, like the first dude, you know what I'm saying? He was basically selling drugs so he can get money, you know what I'm saying? He was thinking like that was the only way he can get money. But like in reality, man, you gonna end up dead or in jail, you feel me? You see like people, you know what I'm saying? People always want to take what you got, you know what I'm saying? People gonna always want your position, man, so they gonna try to take it from you. You know what I'm saying? And the second dude, man, he having unprotected sex, man. You see what happened to him, man. Like, man, that's why I love TLC, man. It just keeps me on point out here. You know what I'm saying? I shouldn't be doing these. You mean I shouldn't be doing the wrong thing? So like when I hear this type of music, it's like, all right, I'm back in track. I gotta stay focused. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I'm not slipping. But, hey, man, shout out to TLC, man, for making this masterpiece, man. I really like this song. If y'all want to check out this song and y'all own it, it's going to be down in the description down below. And hey, man, let me know what other TLC songs y'all want me to check out, or if y'all got any other artists for me, man, put them down below as well. Thanks for watching, man. Thanks for the love and support. But I'm going to catch y'all later, though, man. Y'all be safe out here. Get squat.